Hello my friends, it's me Ahmed Nahavi. Today I am to tell you what is eBay and how we get earning from it. First of all, open the Chrome and search here. I am to write what is eBay. Okay, so here is the result. I am to open this website how make money on eBay small business trends. So this is small business trends how to make money on eBay. eBay has been one of the top e-commerce marketplaces since its launch back in 1995. Some online sellers simply use the platform for selling unwanted stuff, but it can also be a platform for a successful online business. If you want to make as much extra cash as possible on eBay, here is a guide. How much does the average eBay seller make? The average eBay seller earns about 35 US dollar, 35,000 US dollars per year. Some top earners make as much as 70,000 US dollars and many earns just a few thousand per year. It all depends on how much inventory you can sell, the price of your item, and any extra expenses that you incur like shipping materials. Finding more about additional eBay statistics will help navigate the site with more information. Now there is second one, how to sell on eBay and make money. There are 16 tips. Number 1, pick a niche. Number 2, get more new inventory at yard sales. Number 3, offer free shipping. Number 4, finding out the average selling price. Have a lower starting price. Consider dropshipping on eBay business. Choose between a personal eBay store and business account. Look at your competition from other eBay sellers. Use high quality photos. Set a reverse price. Avoid negative feedback. Sell profitable items. Include keywords in headlines and descriptions. Remember fee when pricing items. Cross promote items. List new products regularly. So now you know how to make selling on eBay. Use their tips to scale your income. eBay can be a powerful platform for earning money and creating a business. The tips above can help you capitalize on the opportunity and earn as much profit within your niche as possible. So I hope this information is enough for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys inshallah soon. Allah Hafiz.